and gentlemen, thank you for being here today. I want to talk about something that many of us, especially in middle and older age, know all too well. I call it the cloud in the head. It is that feeling when the mind seems wrapped in a light fog, thoughts move more slowly, focus becomes harder, and memory slips away at the most inconvenient moments. Perhaps you forget where you left your glasses, lose track of a conversation, or walk into a room only to realize you no longer remember why you went there. These small lapses are often dismissed as normal aging. Yet they bring stress, embarrassment, and sometimes fear. But let me reassure you, this foggy mind is not unusual, and science shows us there are real ways to restore clarity and protect memory. Caring for the brain is just as vital as caring for the body. So I ask you, if you want to learn the simple steps that can help you clear this fog and reclaim your focus. Press 1 now. Memory loss is not a life sentence. It is a warning sign. Too often, people see forgetfulness, confusion, or mental fog as an unavoidable punishment of aging, as if the brain were destined to shut down little by little until nothing remains. But that belief is not only wrong, it is dangerous, because it makes people give up hope and ignore the early signals their body is sending. Forgetting where you placed your keys once in a while is normal, but consistently struggling with names, conversations, or tasks can be your brain's way of saying, please take care of me. Just as chest pain may warn of heart problems, memory loss can be the first signal of deeper issues: poor blood flow, insulin resistance, nutritional gaps, chronic stress, or lack of sleep. Here comes the good news. Decline is not destiny. Modern science has revealed that the brain is remarkably adaptable through a process called neuroplasticity. That means neurons can form new connections, new pathways can grow, and damaged circuits can be repaired if given the right environment. Research also shows that lifestyle interventions can dramatically reduce the risk of dementia and even improve memory performance at any age. Daily movement, balanced nutrition rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, good quality sleep, stress management, and mental challenges all serve as powerful medicine for the mind. This is not theory, it is practical hope. Around the world, thousands of people have shown improvements in memory, focus, and mood after committing to consistent lifestyle changes. Even those with a family history of Alzheimer's or other cognitive decline have demonstrated that genes are not fate. What matters is the choices we make today. So let me remind you, memory loss is not the end, but a wake-up call. You are not powerless. With awareness and action, you can slow down, stop, and even reverse the fog. This is your invitation to take control, to see your brain not as a failing machine but as a living garden, one that, with care, can flourish again. The first step begins now, and the hope is real. Iodine is often called the switch of mental clarity, and for good reason. Without it, in the thyroid gland, our body's master regulator cannot function properly. This small butterfly-shaped organ in the neck controls energy, metabolism, and even how fast or slow our brain processes information. When iodine is missing from the diet, the thyroid struggles, and the entire system slows down. Thoughts feel heavy, memory becomes unreliable, and decision-making turns into a frustrating challenge. What many people mistake for simple aging may in fact be the silent cry of a thyroid starved of this essential mineral. Take the example of Doña Elvira, a woman in her early 60s who began experiencing unusual forgetfulness. She would walk into a room and stand there, confused, not remembering why she had entered. She misplaced important items, repeated questions in the same conversation, and often felt too tired to engage with her grandchildren. Her family worried that dementia was setting in. Yet when she visited her doctor, the tests revealed something simpler but equally critical: severe iodine deficiency and an underactive thyroid With the right guidance, Elvira began a program that included iodine-rich foods, seaweed, fish, dairy products, and small, safe supplementation under medical supervision. Within weeks, her energy improved. Over the next months, her mental clarity returned and her memory became sharper. Her family noticed she laughed more, participated in conversations again, and even regained her confidence in managing household tasks. What once seemed like an irreversible decline turned out to be a reversible deficiency. This story is not unique across the world. Countless people suffer quietly from the consequences of low iodine, unaware that a simple nutritional adjustment could restore vitality to their brain and body. The message is clear: iodine is not just a nutrient, it is the switch that turns the lights back on in the mind. So if you or a loved one have felt trapped in a fog of fatigue and forgetfulness, do not resign yourself to decline. Consider the possibility that your thyroid is asking for help. And remember, when the switch is turned back on, clarity can return. Vitamin B12 is often overlooked, yet it is absolutely vital for both body and brain. Think of it as the silent builder and protector. First, it helps create red blood cells, those tiny carriers that deliver oxygen to every corner of your body, including your brain. Second, it protects the myelin sheath, the insulation that surrounds your nerves, allowing signals to travel quickly and efficiently. Without B12, it's like trying to run electricity through frayed wires. The messages slow down, get scrambled, or sometimes don't arrive at all. When B12 levels drop, the effects can be alarming. People may feel unexplained fatigue, dizziness, or tingling in their hands and feet. But the most frightening symptoms strike the mind: confusion, memory lapses, and even changes in mood or personality. Too often, these signs are mistaken for just getting old, when in fact they are clear red flags of a correctable deficiency. Take the story of Don Ramiro. In his late 60s, he began to experience strange sensations, pins, and needles in his legs, sudden forgetfulness, and moments of disorientation. He would lose his train of thought in mid-conversation and sometimes forget appointments altogether. His family feared the worst, believing dementia had begun to take hold. But when he finally consulted a doctor, the truth was revealed. His blood tests showed dangerously low vitamin B12 levels. With proper supplementation and dietary adjustments, adding foods like eggs, fish, meat, and fortified cereals, Ramiro's life changed dramatically. Within a few months, his tingling sensations faded, his memory improved, and his clarity of thought returned. What once seemed like irreversible decline was in fact a reversible deficiency. His story proves that sometimes the key to saving your brain is not a miracle drug, but simply restoring what the body has been missing. So let this be your wake-up call. If you or someone you love is struggling with unexplained fatigue, confusion, or memory loss, don't ignore it. Ask about B12. Check your levels. Take action before it's too late. And if you believe this message could help someone, type the number 1 in the comments below. That simple action could be the first step to turning the light back on in someone's life. Vitamin E is often called the body's natural shield, the bodyguard that protects your brain cells from oxidative stress. Every day, our cells are bombarded by unstable molecules known as free radicals. Left unchecked, they can damage cell membranes, disrupt communication between neurons, and accelerate the aging of the brain. This process, called oxidative stress, is one of the hidden drivers behind memory loss, cognitive decline, and even neurodegenerative diseases. But here is the good news: vitamin E is one of nature's most powerful antioxidants, designed to neutralize those free radicals before they cause harm. Think of vitamin E as a loyal guardian standing watch at the gates of your nervous system. It intercepts oxidative attacks and preserves the health of your neurons, allowing them to function smoothly. With strong protection, signals travel clearly, memories stay sharper, and the brain retains its vitality longer. Without it, neurons become vulnerable, and the brain may begin to lose resilience far sooner than it should. Fortunately, vitamin E is not hard to find. It is present in some of the most delicious and natural foods available. Avocados, with their creamy texture, are rich in vitamin E. Nuts such as almonds, hazelnuts, and sunflower seeds provide a concentrated dose in every handful. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale also offer this vital nutrient. By weaving these foods into your daily diet, you are essentially arming your brain with protective armor. The benefits of vitamin E go beyond memory. Studies suggest that adequate intake can support healthy blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and even improve immune function. This means that nurturing your brain with vitamin E also nurtures your whole body, creating a foundation of resilience against the challenges of aging. So, if you want to give your brain a bodyguard, it can rely on start today. Add a slice of avocado to your breakfast, a handful of nuts to your snack, or a serving of spinach to your dinner. Your neurons will thank you, not with words, but with clarity, focus, and lasting memory. And remember, protecting your brain now is the best gift you can give yourself for the years to come. Turmeric, often called the golden spice, is far more than a kitchen ingredient. Inside this bright yellow root lies curcumin, a compound with extraordinary anti-inflammatory power. Think of it as a broom for the brain, sweeping away the invisible trash that accumulates over time. Inflammation, toxic proteins, and oxidative debris that slowly clog and weaken your neurons. Chronic inflammation in the brain has been linked to memory loss, mood disorders, and even degenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. Turmeric is nature's way of fighting back, calming the fire before it consumes your clarity. But turmeric does more than clean, it also helps grow. Modern research shows that curcumin increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a protein often called fertilizer for the brain. BDNF stimulates the growth of new neurons and strengthens existing connections, essentially rejuvenating the mind from the inside out. Imagine planting new seeds in a garden while also removing the weeds. That is exactly what turmeric does for your brain. Still, there's a catch. Curcumin on its own is not absorbed well by the body. This is where a common kitchen spice becomes the secret ally, black pepper. It contains piperine, a natural compound that can boost curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. That means a simple combination of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper transforms a traditional curry or tea into a powerful brain-protecting tonic. Around the world, cultures have unknowingly practiced this wisdom for centuries, blending turmeric and pepper in daily meals. Today, science finally confirms what tradition always knew, that this pairing unlocks one of the most potent natural therapies for the human brain. So, if you want to fight inflammation, clear mental fog, and even spark the birth of new brain cells, don't wait for a prescription. Look in your spice rack. Add turmeric and black pepper to your soups, stews, teas, or even smoothies. Your brain deserves this golden shield. And remember, every small choice at your table is an investment in clarity, resilience, and longevity. Start today and let your mind shine brighter tomorrow. And so, my friends, as we close today's talk, let me give you a simple plan d'action that you can begin right away. Check your salt and make sure it has iodine, because a strong thyroid supports a strong mind. Eat more fish rich in omega-3 seconds, the very oils that build memory. Add vitamin P, kohet, tohet. the spark of brain energy. Include nuts and avocado, those gifts of healthy fat, and use turmeric. Now, the golden spice that calms inflammation and sharpens the mind. These are not miracles, but conscious choices. Choices we make every single day. Remember this, living long is a blessing, but living sharp is a choice. The decision is in your hands. If you want to take the next step and receive more guidance to protect your memory and clarity, then I invite you now, press number 1 and join us.